My most popular video right now is one telling you that you can't make money on Google Opinion rewards if you have the Android version. Only iOS users can receive PayPal Cash.
Only I may dance.
This leaves us with the question of how to best use our Play Store balance. There's £11 of credit in my account and some of it expires tomorrow, so I need to act fast. I looked into buying a movie, but they're just too expensive. After thinking about it some more, I came up with a way to not only extract your Google Play balance, but potentially multiply your earnings. The plan is to use our credit to complete mobile game offers on reward sites like Swagbucks and Freecash. These offers pay you for reaching a certain level in the game within a set number of days. Games like this are known as pay to win because the player can spend real money to expedite their progress. I chose this Coin Master offer to test my idea because there's a requirement to make an in-app purchase. I also need to reach level 20 in 1 week. Bear in mind that these offers change frequently, so if you're trying this in the future, then you may need to find a different one. I also recommend checking on Reddit to make sure the offers are doable within the time limit. This barely qualifies as a game if I'm being honest. It's more like an interactive animation. I'm not saying this to gatekeep casual gamers. There's no opportunity to use strategy or skill, and you only win when the game wants you to. I went for the cheapest in-app purchase to satisfy the offer requirement. While I could have spent more to complete the offer faster, I wanted to maximize my profit. As luck would have it, Google gave me a £1 voucher, meaning I only spent 79p from my balance. In the evenings, I turned on auto spin and let the game play itself while I watched YouTube. Finally, on day 5, I made it to level 20.
Coin Master game.
The cash reward is now pending and will arrive in 2 weeks. So here are the results of the experiment. I converted 79p of Play Store credit into £30 of real PayPal cash. That's £29 and 21p profit, assuming you think Play Store credit counts as real money, which I don't. Now you know how to take your earnings from Google Opinion rewards and invest them to cash out much higher amounts.